All right. It's HVAC Noel classroom, and I'm giving you guys a recap on what happened in class today. What you think happened in class today? Wait, give me a guess. Duh. HVAC learning. You know how it be. That shit funny though. That shit funny though. All right. But pretty much basic refrigeration. Going back to HVAC 1 for my HVAC 2 students, going back to the first week for my HVAC 1 students, pretty much the basic refrigeration cycle relate to, and I think that us technicians can relate to, is boiling water in a pot. So obviously we go into the four components. You got your compressor, you got your condenser, you got your evaporator, you got your metering device. Obviously they're not in the order, but those are the four components you're going to see every single time you are working on the type of unit, any type of unit, going into residential, commercial, or industrial. I focus on these four components because that's you have to grasp that concept for you to apply it to every single air conditioner. But boiling water in a pot is one of the analogies I like to use for them to understand what vapor, what liquid is. Obviously, that's on YouTube. Where I gather my information was on YouTube, YouTube University. That's my key. That's the way I do it. So you guys need to understand that using your resource and continue your education will get you to where you guys want to become at, or where you want to be at future wise. So for you guys to understand the basic refrigeration cycle, I want you guys to understand boiling water in a pot. Just giving them the functions, understanding the functions is something that we have to, as technicians, we have to understand too. Explaining is one of our teaks. So as a student, they have to explain what the basic refrigeration cycle is. So I had a podcast set up for them. Obviously, this is my podcast set up here. They came and pretty much talked about it. We talked about it. They gave me the explanations on certain components that I questioned them about, and obviously the responses given to them, well, given to us as a podcast. So I had them do a worksheet, and the worksheet was just giving them fill in the blank. I had a PowerPoint up; they were just following along before we did the podcast, just to get them, a little refreshed. It was a Monday. Obviously, they were tired. It's just one of those situations where it was just getting into the flow, going back to step one. But heck yeah, it was a great experience. One of the biggest things I got out of it was be prepared. My mic wasn't working, so I didn't get a lot of students' voice, but I got the whole, asking them the question, introducing myself, and you can hear a little bit, but I will do better next time. That's something that I'll focus on, is trying to get it all set up and prepare for them to be, ready to do it. Overall, I think some of the kids got the understanding of what basic refrigeration is in my HVAC 1 class, and that's pretty much it, man. But I got a exciting feeling about what happens tomorrow, because we're gonna see.